here, and we change the color alphabet low. We have this
Sản phẩm này thì được 50%. Có lẽ thì 50% như thế này thì có thể trước. Cái này nó chỉ giảm giá thôi.
here. Where's the arrow?
Ồ, ra ba. Nổ à?
You reached it.
You reached what?
Nếu con ngủ nha.
What are you saying that's much more communicative here?
This eye contact is very good.
Yeah, he didn't want to. He ignored Ponder and the money.
You went out of the arrow. We need the letter A. It's red now. We have this one. We need this B. We need this color font. Blue. Then we get this letter C here. We need this letter C font color yellow. We need this letter D font there. We get this font color. We put green here. Now, let's get this letter E font there. We need this one. More colors. Here, stand red. We have two. Okay. Then we have the F one. It's black here. We need this G. We want the color. We change it to purple. We have this alphabet long A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Here we get this alphabet long here.